Hi, it's me, Z4People the British Tech Guru. I don't think 3D printing is really for me. It's not because I'm not capable or anything like that. It's because this is an off-grid workshop. The power supply is 12 volt, nominally 12 volt, actually 14 volt. This will work. This printer is a little bit too high maintenance, and I gather that they're all fairly high maintenance. First off, this is PLA, and I gather there are two problems with PLA. First is it's hygroscopic, absorbs water, and the second is it biodegrades after about 2 years, which is good and bad. Well, good because most of the prints that it produces are absolute rubbish. And that one, it's got strings, and there is no way that is supposed to be square. That is definitely not square. No, that is not square. Absolutely not. So the quality of the prints is one thing. The water absorption of the PLA is another. The fact it biodegrades is yet another. I don't want to be making stuff that looks great like that, except it's got lines all over it, which is really, really strange. I don't want something that looks great but then biodegrades if I leave it outside in the environment doing it as part of something that I've been building. That is absolutely worthless. Now, in terms of humidity, right now I have 69% humidity. Don't know if you can see that. 69% humidity, and it's 54 Fahrenheit. So the humidity is quite high. And that, I gather, is a major problem. So I'm actually going to go the way I wanted to go in the first place before I got sidetracked into this red herring of a route. This just seemed too good to be true, and I thought, well, $70, let me try it. And so far, this thing has proven that it is exactly what all 3D printers do. They constantly need parts, and they constantly need maintenance. It's a pain in the neck. So far, this one's burned out its circuit board. I had to put a new circuit board in it, despite the fact the circuit board is supposed to run off 12 to 24 volts. So it burned out its first circuit board. It blew up a nozzle, a print nozzle, and I had to replace the darn print nozzle. It burned its way through plates, maker plates, and this one's got scarring on it. And no, there's way too much maintenance. And, and I had a refund of this because it cost me, what, $70. So that's zero cost for this. PLA, I bought 2 rolls of PLA like this. Haven't produced a thing that was worth having. Bought this roll of, TPU that, interesting, but again, not my thing. Too flexible. So I'm looking now more at putting this together. This is something I got off AliExpress. It's a little drill thing. I think it's a 775 motor. And make a little drill press and build my robot chassis, etc., out of aluminium strip. And just drill it with this. That just makes far more sense to me. Just to build a little drilling machine and build everything out of metal. And this plastic thing, the plastic printer. So it's as I said, I spent $20 on the new circuit board, $10 on new printing plates, $5 on that. So that's $35. Then three reels of printy stuff for about $10 each. That's $65. And then, of course, I find I've got to spray. This spray doesn't work all that well to make this sticky. So I then went for this school glue crap. That worked a lot better. But no. And the way forward is this. That thing. 3D printers, no. No. If I can't have the PLA out, then what is the point? If I've got to buy bags of desiccant to keep this PLA in top shape, that's way too expensive, way too much maintenance. No. These things are an absolute flaming joke. And it's not just this particular brand, but if I got to do that amount of maintenance with these PLA and printing stuff, and it doesn't even last in the environment, it's just not worth my time and money. Far better build this into a drill press or into a drilling machine, and then build out of aluminium and work on it from there. Anyway, that is my plan. Might take me a little while to put the little drill press. It's not going to be a drill press. It's just going to be a drilling machine. This is probably going to be flat mounted, and the work will probably move to and fro. I've got a slider. I just don't know where it is at the moment, so I might buy another couple. So that'll all be coming from China. So it'll be a couple of weeks before I even get started on this. But yeah, I think 3D printing is just an utter waste of my time.